Today we are going to see the solutions of chapter 1 of geography subject. Choose the right answer from the four alternatives given below. The Tropic of Cancer doesn't pass through which of the following states? Rajasthan, it passes through. Odisha, it doesn't passes through. It doesn't pass through Odisha. Chhattisgarh and Tripura, Rajasthan. These are all the three states through which Tropic of Cancer pass through. The answer is B. Odisha. Next question. The easternmost longitude of India is, go through the options given, 97 degree, 68 degree, 77 degree, 68 degree. First you have to look which is the highest longitude of India. Of the given four figures, look at the highest value. That is the right answer, because one goes from west to east, longitudinal value increases. So western part of India has lesser value of longitude than easternmost part. So highest value of these longitudes is the correct answer. 97 degree 25 minute eastern longitude is the correct answer. Next question. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with. Which of the country is the right answer? China is not the right answer, because Uttar Pradesh doesn't share border with China. Bhutan, it is also the same case. Uttar Pradesh doesn't share border with Bhutan. Nepal, okay. Myanmar, it was Uttar Pradesh also doesn't share border with Myanmar. Almost all the states except for Sikkim, all the other states they don't share border with Myanmar. So Nepal is the right answer. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with Nepal. Next question. If you intend to visit Kavaratti during summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? Answer option A, Puducherry. Kavaratti is not in Puducherry. Andaman Nicobar Island. Its capital city is Port Blair. So Kavaratti is also not in Andaman Nicobar Island. Daman and Diu. Its capital city is Daman. So Kavaratti is not in Daman and Diu. Kavaratti is the administrative capital of Lakshadweep. So you will have to visit Lakshadweep Islands in order to visit Kavaratti town. So answer is C. Next question. My friend hails from a country which doesn't share land boundary with India. Identify the country. Of the four options given, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, these three countries share border with India. Tajikistan is the only country that doesn't share border with our country. So answer is B. Next question. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. We all know Arabian Sea. In the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island are located. Next question. Name the countries which are larger than India. Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. This is the descending order of size of countries that are larger than India. Which island group of India lies to its southeast? In the southeast of our country, in the Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Island is located. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? Our countries, some countries are islands. Our neighboring countries are islands. One such country is Sri Lanka. It is located in southeast direction. Another country is Maldives. Maldives is located south of Lakshadweep Island, south of our country. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. But watches show the same time. How does this happen? So we have time lag of 2 hours, Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. But watches show same time. How does this happen? Because to avoid confusion in understanding time for each and every place, our government has fixed a certain longitude, in our case 82 degree 30 minute eastern longitude as standard meridian of India. Based on this longitude only, our time is calculated. This time is applicable to entire country. So based on this meridian, time is set in all watches. So watches show the same time, even though there is a change in local time between place to place. Central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? We know India is located in the Indian Ocean. Why it is considered of great significance to India? We know India is situated on the sea route that connects West Asia and Europe with East Asia. So India is in the central place. This is such a central location of India helps us to have close contact with West Asia from the ports along the western coasts and with East Asian countries through the ports of eastern coasts. So our peninsular India has Indian Ocean on three sides. So it has ports on either side of the coast. These ports help our country establishing contacts, maritime contacts with West Asia as well as East Asia and Europe as well, in African countries as well. Our vast coastline and harbors help India to establish business trade relationship with other countries. So next, map skills. Identify the island groups in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. In Arabian Sea, we know. So in Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Island is located. It is in southeastern side of our country. Next, in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island is located. Lakshadweep Island is located west of Kerala coast, that is Malabar coast. Countries in the Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent, there are several countries, including our India. Other countries are Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. These are all countries in Indian subcontinent. States through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Look at the map. First Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, northern part of Chhattisgarh, southern part of Jharkhand, almost through West Bengal, then Tripura and Mizoram. These are the 8 states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Tropic of Cancer at 23 degree 30 minutes northern latitudes. So locate northernmost latitude and southernmost latitude of Indian mainland. We know southern point is 80 degree 4 minute northern latitude. Northern point of our country is 37 degree 6 minute northern latitude. Similarly, as far as longitudes are concerned, western point is 68 degree 7 minute eastern longitude, and eastern part of our country is 97 degree 25 minute longitude. The place is situated on 3 seas. Answer is Kanyakumari is the place situated on three seas: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. So Kanyakumari is surrounded by three seas: Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in south, and Indian Ocean in the south. Where is Park Strait? Park Strait is located between Indian mainland and Sri Lanka. Strait is a narrow belt of water that connects two large seas. Here, Park Strait connects Gulf of Mannar and Bay of Bengal. What are all the union territories in India? First union territory is Ladakh. Next, Jammu and Kashmir. Third, Chandigarh. It is the capital city of both Punjab and Haryana. It is also a union territory. Next, National Capital Territory of Delhi. It is also a union territory. Next, Tatra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. It lies on the western coast. Next, Lakshadweep Islands. It is located west of Malabar coast, that is Kerala coast. Next, Puducherry. It lies on the eastern coast of India. Its capital city is Puducherry. Next, Andaman Nicobar Island. It is located in the Bay of Bengal. Its capital city is Port Blair. Now it has been asked to locate your state based on latitudinal and longitudinal extent. My state is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu state's longitudes and latitudes are: first, western part of Tamil Nadu state. Longitude of that western border is 76 degree 15 minute eastern longitude. Similarly, eastern border of Tamil Nadu is 80 degree 20 minute eastern longitude. Latitudes: northern part of our border, Tamil Nadu border, is 80 degree 5 minutes northern this is 13 degree 35 minute northern latitude. Southern part of Tamil Nadu is 8 degree 5 minutes latitude. You can take it as a 4 minute north latitude, because we have already learned that India's mainland starts with Kanyakumari. We already learned that Indian mainland's southern border is 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude. We can also adopt the same figure for Tamil Nadu. Okay, you can subscribe this channel to learn more about the geography and all other subjects of CPSC syllabus.